use that. And what we're going to do is we have to pull this out for a second to add the earth.
How did you disconnect that?
Huh?
How did you disconnect that?
It just wiggles out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it just wiggles in and out. Both things just wiggle in and out.
There's two holes. It goes in the left.
This goes into this one.
Oh, the right.
The right one. It's got this piece on it. This rubber piece. You can't miss it. And it always goes. You can see the arrow points down. This goes down. This just sits into here.
Okay.
Now, why we have to take this off for is because we have to pour the earth directly into here. You'll see. Okay. Normally, when you do a complete cleanup like this, it takes 7 pounds of earth.
7 pounds.
It's got a pound. The scoop is 1 pound.
Okay.
We're going to put 7 scoops in here. This stuff won't hurt you. It's just natural earth. Okay. You don't want to really breathe a bunch of it, but it's 1. 2. 6. That's 7.
Okay.
Now we gotta add water to this.
Do you have a guideline for how much water?
Huh?
Do you have a guideline for how much water to?
You just fill it up to mix it up.
Oh. Oh.
But you do want to be careful because this stuff will fly up in your face. You see like I'm saying? You have to be careful with it. So what you want to do is kind of mist it first. Get some water on the top. This stuff's really deceiving. I mean, you can actually put, you just think, where's all the water going? This earth just sucks it up. See how it expands?
What?
Yeah. It's just sucking the water in.
What does this do?
This is your natural filter. This is God's filter for our groundwater that we drink. This earth, when it goes through the ground system, you know, and it goes into our regular well water, this earth is what purifies the water. It's all, I mean, this is what, it's Earth's natural purifier. Okay, once you get it up pretty close to the top, put your hand in here and feel it. Oh. Push down. And what you want to do is keep stirring that up. See how it's dissipating? It goes to nothing? So you slowly want to keep stirring that till you don't feel anything more on the bottom.
Okay.
All right? So I got plenty of water in here.
Oh, wow.
See how it's going away?
Yeah.
And it just keeps going away. Now that it's gone, you stir it up like that. Let me rinse your hand. Here.
So
Now that you got that slurry, it doesn't matter as long as you can probably use maybe half that much water. As long as you can get it to a slurry mix like that, you start your filter again. Then you come over here. Now that you know it's mixed up, you slowly pour this in.
In here?
Right in here.
All right.
This is what's going to coat your filters. Take your time, because you want it to slowly get in there so it wraps around the filters.
So as long as the earth is not clumpy.
Yeah, you have to mix it up in a slurry, and I'm going to show you have to do the same thing with when you add chemicals. You have to mix them with water. I mean, it can be a little thick when you get to the end. It's not going to hurt anything because you're pouring it into water too.
Right, right.
And then whatever's left.